Dunkin right now. I'm trying it out. I don't want to show the other person's license plate number, but I don't know what I'm going to get. I'm not a big Dunkin fan, honestly. I'm just going to try it again, see what happens. I'm not going to get the refreshers because that's a lot of sugar. I already know it's a lot of sugar. Good morning. How you doing today?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm good. I was trying to get the snack and bacon.
You got the snack and bacon?
Yes.
What else for you?
And the Beyond Sausage sandwich.
I can't hear you.
The Beyond Sausage sandwich.
Okay. Would you like hash browns for that?
Yes, please.
What else for you?
That's it.
822.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I forgot to get the munchkins. I really wanted the munchkins. That's what I've been praying for like the past 2 days. I haven't gotten it. I'm probably gonna come back here and get the munchkins because I just think they're like very easy to eat, you know. So yeah, I got the Beyond Sausage. I forgot to ask for no cheese, but that's alright, I guess. Hopefully it's not dried. But I got bacon anyway, so I'm not sure why I got Beyond Patty. It doesn't make any sense. But I was watching, what's her name? I forgot what her name was. What's her name? A YouTuber, mukbanger. Stephanie. She tried. She said bacon was good, so I love good bacon. So let's see what happens. Honestly, so you guys are like right here. I don't have a thingy to put it on here. And I tried to go to the store. That's the one thing I forget. I'm gonna get this and go to the doctor's office to have them check. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna do nothing but like say, oh, because they can't give me no medicine for winter pain, and this pain is like related to the car accident I had last year. It's not related to anything else like health issues or whatever. But I didn't know Dunkin Donut was popping off right now. I think this is like the first time I actually went to Dunkin'. It's my first time at the location, and then also another YouTuber who loves Dunkin' Donut.
So it's 7:58. Yeah, I got my Dunkins. I keep forgetting to get the munchkins, so I'm very upset about that. Like I said earlier, Stephanie so really got me to try this. This is the hash browns right here, and oh, okay. I was collecting bacon grease. And this is a snacking. Oh, this is disappointing. They only give me so much bacon. I don't know if you guys even see that. But this is the bacon. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's good. Wow. That's really, really good. This is the Beyond Patty. Right here is circle. Oh, the cheese. I can't even scrape that off. I wish for first, okay, this is the egg and this is the patty and this is the cheese. You guys can see that. My first impression is that I like my textures different from everybody else. A lot of people may say this is okay, but I want a crunchy texture to my bread. That's just my opinion. It's very blonde, but it'll be alright. I really like the bacon. Another hash brown. But yeah, like I said, I like that a lot. I wish I got more bacon. I think I'll probably try a different sandwich later on when I go back there to get my munchkins. Because, like, after I work out, I get super hungry for no reason. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching my little breakfast Dunkin Donut mukbang. I sorry I couldn't try all the juices and stuff. It's just, like, me being diabetic and me trying to get my A1C down. I'm trying to really not be bad. I don't have a craving for sweets until yesterday. But I had, like, fruit. So that kind of curbed my craving. So, yeah. Thanks guys for watching. If you guys want to see what else I eat, leave it in the comments down below. Make sure to like, favorite, and comment. And what else you want to see. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.